What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com and I've got another chord of the month for you. If you're new to the channel then definitely make sure to subscribe, and if you're really serious about taking your playing to the next level then head over to PianoPig.com to check out the Academy where we've got a whole bunch of awesome resources. In this episode of Chord of the Month we're going to be looking at a really hip voicing for a dominant 7 chord which sounds like this. So let's head over to the piano and let me show you how to play it. So if we wanted to play this on C, this is how it would look. So, this is just such a nice chord. I mean, it gives a really modern sound, and it's used quite a lot in genres such as R&B, neo-soul, obviously jazz. So it's a really good one to have in your collection. Let's start off by breaking it right down in terms of scale degrees. We've got the root down at the bottom, and then we've got the 3rd and flattened 7th. So this part should be really nice and easy to remember, because in any dominant chord ever, you're normally going to have all of these 3 notes, the root, 3rd and 7th. But what makes this chord so great is the sharp 9 on the top. And that is just the cherry on the top with this chord. It provides such a nice tension without going over the top. It's just, so good. And remember that since this is a dominant chord, it's going to create some tension and it's going to want to be resolved. As with all dominant chords, they want to resolve to the 5th below, so this C7 sharp 9 is going to want to resolve to an F chord. So just very briefly, to show you some context in which this chord could be used, here's a nice little chord progression. We've got a D flat major 9, then we come to our C7 sharp 9, and then this leads us nicely to an F minor 9 chord. So anytime you see a dominant 7 chord, you can substitute it with this chord. So to finish off, let's just construct this chord in a few different keys. Let's play a G7 sharp 9. Play the root in the left hand, then add in the 3rd, 7th, and then add the sharp 9 on the top. A quick way to work out the sharp 9 is to remember that it's essentially the same note as the minor 3rd, or it's just a half step below the major 3rd. So we could think of it like add the 3rd, 7th, 3rd again, and then flatten it by a half step to give us the sharp 9. So one more time, let's play a D7 sharp 9. Play the root note, the 3rd, 7th, 3rd again, and then lower it by a half step. And this one's going to resolve nicely to a G. So spend some time with this voicing. Practice it in loads of different keys and make an effort to substitute normal dominant chords with this one. That's it for this chord of the month. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.